Veganuary day 11. We're making soup today. It's still cold. We haven't hit the 50s yet. It's still in the 30s and below. Alright, we're making potato soup today. This is a very basic soup. And I don't mean like basic like it's basic. I mean, it's basic. You could build on this. You could eat it just as it is, or you could add accoutrements to it. You know, scallions, cheese, bacon. Let's begin. I've got 6 russet potatoes that I have peeled, just like this one, medium to largish. Some are bigger than others, but this one's about medium. So you're not going to have to cut these up too terribly much, just, you know, like that, because they're going to get messed up in there anyway, because, you know, potatoes tend to fall apart when you cook them, and that's pretty much what you want anyway, because it's going to make it thick and creamy. So let's get the rest of this potato in there, and then we'll get the rest of the ingredients in there. It is so simple. There's really not that many ingredients. You know what there is, though? There's a mirepoix. Woo! That's right. Raise your hand if you remember what mirepoix was. Why, it's carrots, onions, and celery. Woo! It's the holy trinity of deliciousness. Yeah, look at that. It really fills it up. Yes. That is perfect. I didn't even plan that. Alright, we're going to do this in the Instant Pot, but if you don't have a pressure cooker or an electric pressure cooker, not a big deal. You can totally do it on the stove. So to these magical ingredients, we're going to add 4 cups of water. Pretend this was 4. This is only 3. I already put 1 cup in there because I didn't want to have to go back and forth. We're going to put 2 cups of unsweetened non-dairy milk. That's totally optional. I just like a little something something in there. But make sure you get the unsweetened original. Don't get the vanilla. Things will go horribly wrong with the vanilla flavored one in a savory dish. I'm going to put some veggie broth concentrate in there. So obviously, if you don't have this, do veggie stock instead of water. So this is just going to be enough to make 4 cups of veggie stock. Perfectly measured every time. We're going to do some pepper to taste. I like a lot of pepper, so I'm going to put a lot of pepper because it gives a lot of flavor that I like. We're going to do a teaspoon of Himalayan sea salt. Whoa. You don't really need that much because it's got the veggie stock, and that's a little bit salty. And my mom always said, give them a wow. Put some nutmeg in there. So we're putting about 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg in there. And guess what? That's it. Woo! So, if you're doing this on the stove, bring it up to the boil and let it simmer until the potatoes are tender and the carrots are tender. But since we're doing it in the pressure cooker, we're doing it for 20 minutes under pressure. So, I'm going to put my lid on, lock and load it. We're doing manual, all the way up pressure. We're doing less than 30. We're doing 20. And we're starting. Come back in about 20 minutes. Alright, so there it is, all jacked up.
That looks beautiful.
Alright, so we've actually put some bacon flavored TVP. These are actually vegan. I caution you against using a lot of those because they can get really tired really quickly.
Yeah, I mean, they're really convincing, but I feel like I ate a lot of these one time and then I was like,
they're very salty. It's an accent flavor. Yeah. It's not a meal.
Don't make a meal of it.
No, don't make a BLT with that. It's not good. Same thing with this. It's an accent flavor. We put a little shredded Mexican blend Daya on here. Just a little bit of fresh scallion, and a little bit of fresh cashew cream that I made last night. It's basically cashew yogurt. We call it cashew sour cream.
Yeah.
Go for it.
Man, when you weren't looking, I did the smell test, and it smells amazing.
Like a winner?
Yeah.
Smells like a winner?
So let's see.
Not a loser?
Nope. Mmm.
Yeah? Does it taste like a loaded baked potato?
That is so good.
Oh, awesome.
Yum.
This
Okay,
one,
let's have dinner now.
this one's for you, Alex.
Yeah.
I hope it was worth the wait.
I hope so.
All right, there you have it.
Okay.
Maddie says it, and it will be. I just switched the island around.
Yeah.
I keep switching it from this way and this way, so I hope you give it a shot. It's very hearty for this type of weather. It's very filling. Give it a thumbs up if you like this type of thing. If you're enjoying Veganuary, hit the bell for notifications so you know when a video goes up, if that's your thing. Subscribe for more, and until next time.
Much love.